Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and today I'm going to install the CGI 238 Sentinel Casement Window. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the product and show you some suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here's the CGI Sentinel Casement Window. It is a hinge right configuration. I'm now ready to unpackage the product safely. If your window is shipped with a screen, remove it and set it off to the side. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Starting with the right size level, cordless impact screw gun, glass cup, tape measure, razor knife, Phillips screwdriver, and the appropriate sealant. To recap, I've now unpackaged the window and showed you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. In the next video, I'm going to show you the best practices of how to install the CGI Sentinel Casement Window.